Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad, estimation, quantity, surveying, and valuation. In last videos, we studied number of problems related to approximate estimate. I am Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. We'll see some more problems in this class. Here, one problem, prepare. Here you prepare an approximate estimate of proposed building from the following data. What is the data given? Here one is plinth area of the building is 226 square meter, that is 226 square meter. What is plinth area of the building? 220 square meter. What of the cost of the construction per square meter? Here for 1 square meter, the cost of construction is rupees 2500 per square meter. This is available from local area rates. Okay. So these two are very important. You will get structural cost of the building. So plinth area, what is the plinth area? 226 square meters, and cost of the construction per square meter is 22,500 per square meter. Water supply and sanitary arrangement is 12.5%. As I told you, there is no hard and fast rules here. 6 to 8%. So for both, we have taken here 12.5% for water and sanitary, and for electrification 7%. In previous classes, we have taken 7.5%. And fluctuation rates here, this is also new. It may be very because the construction was made and maybe constructed in last year or before 2 years. So the cost may be very material in regarding cement, steel, labor, like that. Fluctuation rates will add to get approximate estimate of the building. PS charges, that is petty supervision charges, 3%. This is the problem given. Right. So what is the problem? Prepare an approximate estimate of the proposed building from the following data. What is that data given? Plinth area of the building, cost of the construction, water supply and sanitary arrangements, electrification and fluctuation rates, and petty supervision charges. Okay. Now, how to solve this problem? Now, first here, we'll see how to solve this problem, right? I think this is better if we see. Now first, cost of the building. How you are going to calculate cost of the building? Plinth area in multiplied by cost of the construction per square meter, that is 2500. Here what is the plinth area? This is 226. What is the cost per square meter? 2500. If we multiply it, here 5,65,000. Okay, this is you got cost of the building. This is basic cost of the building. How to calculate? Then water supply and sanitary arrangements. This is both 12.5%. If you calculate sanitary arrangements, 5,65,000 multiplied by 12.5%, that is 12.5 by 100. Now for cost of water supply and sanitary arrangements, here you got 70,000, right? And for electrification 7%. Yeah, for electrification 7%. How you are going to calculate? You know, cost of the building 5,65,000 here, and here one is missing. Okay, that here you write 1. Okay, 100. This you will get 39,550 rupees for electrification, right? This is the charges. And next we will have fluctuation rates. What are the fluctuation rates? How to calculate? Here we have fluctuation rates 5%. So what is the structural cost of the building? 5,65,000. Your fluctuation, you have to add fluctuation cost. That's 5%. 5,65,000 multiplied by 5%. That is 5,65,000 multiplied by 5 by 100. That you got this. In this way, you have to calculate. This value is 28,250. Okay. This way we calculated fluctuation cost of the building. And what are the petty supervision PS charges? 3%. This is petty supervision charges 3%. Okay. So what is the cost of the structural basic cost of the building is 5,65,000 and it is multiplied by 3, that is by 100. Okay. Here you will get 16,950 rupees. Now if you see what we have calculated, now first we calculated in the problem itself, what is the data given? Plinth area of the building, cost of the construction is given. What is the plinth area of the building? 226 square meter. See why I am repeating this problem, because definitely you will get one question, 10 marks question you will get compulsory in this, like this problem. So maybe cubical content method or plinth area method or service unit method, or you get A, B questions, both questions. So in the first unit only, these are the problems. Most of the theoretical remaining topics are theoretical one. Concepts we have learned in detailed way. So these problems, you have 3 types of problems you are having in this unit. Okay. So here what he has given? Plinth area of the building 226 square meter and cost of the construction 2,500 per square meter. What is the basic cost of the construction? We will calculate. That is our first step. How we will calculate basic cost? This plinth area multiplied by this cost of the construction. That is 226 multiplied by 2,500. Okay. See, water supply and sanitary arrangements. That is 12.5%. Okay, that is 12.5 by 100. After getting your basic cost, that is structural cost of the construction, you have to multiply by 12.5%. Then you have to add 7% for electrification, and fluctuation rates is given 5%, and petty supervision charges 3%. So this we calculated in the next slide. How calculate cost of the building? As I said, 226 into 2,500, 5,65,000, and for water supply 12.5%. What is the cost for water supply and sanitary arrangements? 5,65,000 into 12.500. is equal to rupees 70,000 for water supply and sanitary arrangement. Similarly, for electrification, cost is equal to 7%. We have to add, multiply. That is basic cost of the structural cost of the building is 5,65,000 multiplied by 7 by 100, that is rupees 39,550. Okay, and we have to add fluctuation as the problem given 5%. 5,65,000 multiplied by 5 by 100, that is you will get here 28,250. Similarly, petty supervision PS charges and as well miscellaneous charges 3% is given, that also we calculated 3 lakhs 5, that is how to calculate that basic cost structural cost is 5 lakhs into 65,000 into 3 by 100, that is rupees 16 lakhs 950 rupees. So total class cost of the building, including all water supply, electrification, fluctuation, petty supervision charges. Here is given total. If you add, you will get 7 lakhs 19,750 rupees. In this way, we have to do plinth area problems. In next class, we'll see some more problems regarding other methods. So plinth area method, we have to calculate plinth area and cost per square meter of the construction. After that, we have to add all electrification, sanitary, fluctuation, petty supervision charges, etc. Whatever given in the problem. You would add all cost to the basic cost, structural cost of the construction. You will get total cost of the building. Okay. Thank you. We'll see some more problem in next class. Thank